in which 18 are dead. What you will say?
I think it is extremely unfortunate. It is totally the responsibility of the Indian Railways and the Rail Minister. And I will say this very categorically, the responsibility and whatever has happened is because of the mismanagement of the railways and the arrogance of a minister who refuses to be held accountable. Let's not forget the entire sequence of events. First, the PRO totally denied that there was any stampede. When media started to report stampede-like situation, I don't understand what is a stampede-like situation. Either there is a stampede or there is no stampede. Then injuries were reported, and we heard the railway minister tweet saying that on his expose that everything is under control. Then we saw the BJP IT cell get activated and say that, look, everything is absolutely hunky-dory at the railway station. There are no crowds. Everything has been managed. Then we get to know 15 people have died, out of which 4 of them were children below 10 years of age. Then we have several IT cell members saying, why are you all seeking accountability at this point in time? Please understand the number of rail accidents that have happened. Understand the number of derailments that have happened. Understand, even in Mumbai, we had a stampede situation in Bandra station. Yet there is no one taking the responsibility, and we come up and we have ministers and ministries sent through sources-based information putting out that this was a conspiracy against India, conspiracy against the railway ministry. We are seeing passenger fares increase. The basic trains reducing, because of which passengers, you've seen how they travel like they are like cattle is moving around. It is shameful. Obviously, you have people, bhakts, who want to go take a dip in the Sangam. Mahakumbh has become a very important holy site and part of the religious procedure. However, you have not created management good enough to keep the passengers safe. And it's so silly now. We heard the PRO come forward and say one person slipped, and that is why the stampede occurred. So you are blaming the passenger now for your mismanagement. When will the government hold itself